Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing fine today. And today I'm here at the Antwerp Zoo. And I was here before. If you see my previous videos, you saw me wandering in here in this first part. But today I'm going in and take a look at the animals. So I hope you're gonna like it, and let's go in. Before in the old days you had to pay here on the outside, but now apparently you have to go in further, or you can go in further and pay further down. Now this is kind of a disturbing sign, because it says that you need to have a reservation to get in, but not all signs are telling the truth, so let's go and ask. So, while I'm making my way to the pay station, and I just want to tell you guys that this zoo has about 5,000 animals. I looked it up on the internet because I didn't know. And about 1,000 different species. So, but in total they have about 5,000 animals here. So, and also this zoo apparently opened up in 1843, so it's been here for a while. So there is the entrance, and I hope they let me in today. Let me see what this is here. As you can see, it is not that cheap, because it is, for me, because I'm retired, it is 29 euros or 1,500 pesos, so it's not a bargain if you're asking me. But let's see what they say. There we go, our first animal is sitting here. So, this is our first, whatever you call this, a cage, an environment, an enclosement. There are supposed to be monkeys here, but I don't see any. Maybe they're inside, because you can also go inside. However, you have to wear a face mask going in, so nothing to see outside. So let's go in. There's our first guy. I'm not sure why they're all sitting inside here. Well, the weather is not that good either, so That's probably why. I just saw that guy jumping there. He's an unusual one, this one, right? Look at this one. Oh, there's another one. Seems to be deeply in thought. Oh, and up there too. Oh, and way up there too. Look at that. I think his tongue is just a little bit too short. That guy seems to be on his own in that. Yeah, those guys are talking to us here. This guy here is not camera shy. And he's lively too, because he was jumping around a minute ago. Same as that other one outside.
Ah, minta kita bersama.
Allora kita medicine.
Look at all of them. I think it's feeding time. Yes, it's feeding time. That's why they're all alive.
Regarde, on met un truc dans le côté, regarde. Et elle va ouvrir les portes et alors ils vont tous aller manger. Ils attendent. Exactement. Allez chercher la nourriture. Regarde, regarde. Les lapins. Hop là.
On va essayer de chercher les images.
On est des éléphants.
They're all sitting and waiting until the food comes. They're all quiet now. There was feeding time at the monkeys. Yeah guys, and the weather is not that great here. It's raining, but you know, the animals stay inside more, so we have to go in and take a look at them. Look at this elaborate building here. This is one of the indoor homes from the bigger animals. I'll go inside and take a look. There they are. That's all there is in here. It's just giraffes. They each have their cage, I assume, the individual cage, but where they are for the moment, I have no idea. I'll take a look on the other side. There is one that takes a peek outside finally. As soon as the rain stops, there they are, they come out. And apparently this time of the day is feeding time because they're all anxious and looking around for food. And on the other side is a large bird cage. Maybe you can see there the birds, and they're flying around, and I don't know what they have in there, but a minute ago they were just flying like crazy. I just climbed up here at sort of an observation post, and down there are the hippopotamus. Take a look, there is one laying in the water there. I only see one there. Nice. Oh no, there's a second one there. See? You see the back there of one? And here you see the other one. I guess they just have food because they don't move. It's actually a nice park here, you know. Lots of trees, lots of green. It's really nice. However, it would be way nicer if the sun was out, but what can you say? For the last week and a half or so, it rained here like crazy. Today, and the forecast is another week of rain, so you know, I thought, oh, forget it, I go. So they make these little lookout holes here. I don't know what to see in there, but oh, here they are. Look at those big guys. They look ugly if you're asking me, but I think that's a crane, if I'm not mistaken. There should be a sign here somewhere that. Oh yeah, look at up there, they have a nest and they usually, there's a young in there even. I know it's gonna be visible, but there. That guy is not camera shy either. Holy. We're here in an enclosement here. I don't know, this is for the hippopotamus when they come inside, I assume. And here is a family of otters. Look at it. They go for a swim. I cannot go any closer, but if I stretch, maybe I can see them. Yeah, they're having a swim there. And here lives a family of sea lions. Look at them. There are lots of them. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but they're just under the water line here. Oh, there they come up there. And a minute ago I heard some elephants blowing their horns, so I have to go look where that is. It seemed to be closed, but let me go and look at this side first. These were the hippos that were here. Oh yeah. Lazy guys, they're not moving. Huge trees in this place here. Look at this. Wow, look at this. Well, the trees are really big, because as you know, I told you the park is almost 200 years old, so those trees must have been here that long, or maybe longer, you never know. So, let's take a kind of dark today with the weather, but what can I say? And a minute ago those were not otters, but they were beavers. But they were not the Canadian kind, because I know the Canadian kind and they have a different tail. But the sign said beaver, so they must be a different kind or come from another country or whatever. But I know for sure that those were not the Canadian kind of beavers. Oh, here are a lot of sea lions again. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see that, because the glare on the water is huge. I'm going to try to go a bit closer. Uh-oh. I hear somebody is not happy. And I think, oh, the lions. There is that guy making noise there. I don't know if you guys can see him, but there is lots of grass there. But he doesn't seem to be so happy. And now he's going inside. That's not a real one, guys. Otherwise I would not be so close. It's just a picture. But this is the way to go for another lookout. For the lions, apparently. Haven't they all went inside? Oh, some llama or something. Oh god, it starts raining heavily now. I have to go underneath this rock here because I'm hiding here for the rain, guys. I don't know if you can see it. I'm under some kind of a rock here and hiding from the heavy rain. And while I'm standing here you can see this is the back side of Central Station in Antwerp. This is right next to the zoo. So if one of those guys escapes, he can jump right on a train and go further inland. There we go. And I'm waiting here a bit till the rain it starts to clear up a little bit, so let me go further. Look at the puddles of water here, holy. Look at the grass, how nicely they cut that. And here are our other friends. Look at those here. Hey guys. The penguins. Oh, and here they have their water to swim in, but they're all in the sun.